Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to enable two-step verification for access security on WhatsApp. So let's do it. Just open your WhatsApp app and here you have to select this three dot icon, select setting, select accounts, and here you can see this two-step verification option. Select this and then turn on. Here you have to create a PIN of at least 6 digits. So I have selected this and here you have to save, and here you have to add your email account for this setting. So I have added my email account. Click on continue, then click on next and click on continue. Here I have successfully verified two-step verification. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.